and we're going to work out a plan. First one, to pull out this crease to get that body line. Second one is to pull out this crease and start tapping that up, squeeze that in. Third one is the same, that will take out the meat of this wave. We've got a crease running along there, so eventually we'll sort of lightly pull that because there's a high spot, a crown, just along that edge. And once we've got these out, then I'll apply some force to give it some lateral and see if you can bend that door slightly in because it's just sticking out here. Move the trim panel to get access under here. So I've got the tension set up along here, forcing that door that direction. I'm going to do some light pulling on these areas and some tap downs because I think we've got a bar here. So tap all that down, carry on with the shaping. So with the tension, I've been strengthening up this from flexing. It's got a dent there to sort out, and now you can see the door is starting to line up. So when I release the tension, that will just level out now. So the next step after this is get the door off the car, put it on a bench, then I can work on all the dents properly. It'll be nice and flat on the table. So, and plus it's raining and all my kit's getting wet. So what can we see here? So looking at the panel, it's wavy completely. Got a big high spot, got low spots. It's flexing. It's got a high spot there. And got a dent just there. I need to pull that dent out, but I'll get it straight. So this is all keyed up. The repair's all done. I've just got to flick a bit of primer on there and give it a little light coat of sand. But it's all leveled off. So the plan is just to blow in that end, that bottom bit. So yeah, it's all almost ready to spray. Just going to wash it down, or spray the primer on, wash it all down, and then prep it up again for painting.